All right, we are headed back to Tesla. This time I got my brother-in-law with me. He's 5'10", because some of you guys commented about my height and wanted to see like a better, I guess, visual. So he's not 6 feet tall, but he is 5'10", taller than me. We're gonna see what he thinks about the Model YL. They are in the market of getting a 3-row SUV. They currently have a Hyundai Staria, which is a really nice 3-row SUV, and they also have ano yung isa? Hindi, yung isa. Starex. And they also have a Hyundai Starex. So we're gonna go and check it out. Oh, and the other car that they have is a Isuzu MU-X, which is a mid-size SUV, but they like having the bigger SUV size. But we'll see what he thinks about the 3-row Model YL. So the Tesla location isn't too far from the hotel. It's about a block and a half away, and they're opening in a few minutes, 10 a.m. And what do we have here in the front is the exclusive blue color. I think it's called Cosmic Blue. Asia exclusive, Shanghai made exclusive, and I believe Berlin exclusive also. Not too sure, but this does not exist in North America, which is a bummer because this color is really beautiful. And it's actually a fairly popular color here in the Philippines. I've seen a few of these, as well as the silver color. A really nice color right here. I think this is stealth gray because it doesn't have the sparkle. Their stealth gray is a little darker than usual here. I get confused with the diamond black, but the diamond black has the sparkles on it. So they have a Ford Raptor also here. I don't know whose Ford Raptor it is, but right there in the front already you could tell even from far away that this is the YL, because it's longer than the Model Y, the regular Model Y. Check it out outside. Oh man, yeah, I am really changing my opinion on this, because I think this is gonna be a really good seller in the United States when it eventually gets released. Oh, look at the wheels. These are different wheels, unless that's what it looks like with the covers removed. And this is, I don't know what color that, I think that is that silver. See, the silver has like a beige look to it. So that is an exclusive, I believe, here in Asia. This is probably going to be a delivery. This is actually a popular one. I know a couple of people with it. Been trying to get them scheduled to do like a video, but they're just all busy. And here is a Model Y being driven on the street right there with the white interior. Or is that the... Oh, that's the launch series. So, okay, I am sweating out here, but I can't wait to see what my brother-in-law thinks. Here is the poster for the Model Y, 38,810 pesos per month, with a range of 691 kilometers, WLTP, 4.3 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers, or 0 to 60. Complimentary insurance for all trims. You know, I've been hearing about insurance here. It's a little bit different. I guess the insurance is with the dealership. I'm not really too sure. Or are they using insurance as warranty? I'm a bit confused. So if you can shed some light in the comments and maybe help me understand what this insurance thing is all about. Is it the car insurance or is it the car warranty? As I'm a bit confused. But this is the premium rear wheel drive. See, and this is where I get confused. Interest rate of 22.88%. But that is all of 5 years. It's kind of weird how they word things over here. That's a total of 22.88% in a span of 5 years. So roughly a little over 4% APR. While we wait, here are two Model Ys that we looked at earlier. This is actually the YL right here. One thing you could tell from the exterior immediately, not only the wheels are different, but the spoiler in the rear. But maybe we can get a better idea in comparison between YL and 5-seater Model Y right there. I'm trying to get it in an angle where I could get both of them, but if you go in an angle, one may appear longer than the other, but these railings are in the way. Alright, so my brother-in-law is already checking it out. Right next to it is the 5-seater version in white. Man, forgive me, I am catching my breath. It's so hot out here. But let's see if we can get both of them in the frame. The one farther is the YL. So, but yeah, you could definitely tell the size difference, the length difference. So my brother-in-law, 5'10" once again. Let's see what he thinks about going inside and sitting. He's 5'10". I don't think that's gonna be an issue in the second row. It's the third row that's going to be an issue. Alright, so this is what a 5'10" person is gonna do, accessing the third row. It's good. Legroom is fine. It's the height. The height clearance. But like legroom, 5'10" once again. And these seats can actually move forward. There is still a lot more legroom here, so you could move it forward even more. But you can see his head, the clearance on the glass. Like one big bump, you're hitting that glass. You're hitting that glass. So, and someone had commented on the video and saying no 6-footer is gonna sit back there, which is very true unless you are a family of tall people. I'm just showing you what you're gonna be dealing with. But you know what? Let's go inside the front and check out like the software and stuff. All right, so this is their charging right here. iPhone 17 Pro Max. I mean, it's big enough. I think there are vents on the middle divider. Can't really feel anything, and it's not charging. This is the screen. We could check out the software versions. 14 kilometers on the odometer. Comes with premium connectivity. It says include package, so maybe it's already included. Why is full self-driving capability, not necessarily full self-driving itself, because I don't think FSD is available here in the Philippines yet. 2026.14.100 is the software version. But let's take a look at what the navigation looks like. And it's really a trip seeing like Google Maps or any kind of map here in the Philippines. Really awesome. But look at this. Check this out. Auto navigation, drive to begin. Did they still have... So they still have auto steer beta included. I thought they removed that. Traffic aware cruise control, auto steer beta right there. Wait a minute. They also have AS. Oh, unavailable. Oh, but no, it's calibrating. Check that out. That's crazy. Let's see. Seats. There goes the seats. Yes, there you go. Confirmed. Second row has ventilated seats as well. You saw it right there. You could control the reclining of the second row seats. You can lock the temperature on the third row, like the vents, it looks like. But these are only heated seats on the third row. Very nice. So in the previous video, I didn't really do too much interior shots, but this is their gray color. I believe it's called Zen Gray. and it's like a light color, almost beige, but it's gray. Check that out. Very nice. Here is the frunk, very similar in size, I believe, to the 5-seater. There's nothing different about that one. This is one of my favorite features, actually, is this control right here, where you can move these 4 seats down and up. Rivian, you need to have that. Why don't you have that? So the headrest is really neat. There's a button on the side where you can raise and lower it. That's really neat. The headrest adjustment is regular back there where you lift it up, but here it's like a separate piece that goes up. I think this is really gonna sell well when it hits the United States. I was totally wrong. This bad boy is really nice. All right, so big shout out to Pedi, who was there. I couldn't get the other person's name. I'm sorry, but she was gonna order a Model Y. I gave her my referral code, and I will put my referral code in the video description. She recognized me, and she saw my content the last time I was here in BGC, which was in 2025. So shout out to you. I hope you do order one. You won't regret it, and I hope you do take advantage of that referral that I shared with you to get that additional discount. It's like 13,000 pesos. May not seem much, but I love getting discounts on anything. I don't like paying regular price. So I'm gonna bring in my brother-in-law so he can share with you. He's a little shy. Share with you what he thought of it.
Okay siya. Subtitle mo na lang, Win. Okay siya, maluwag, and then yun lang. Yung sa back, medyo maliit ang headroom niya. Pero yung iba, okay siya. And malambot yung seats.
So one of the observation again, because here in the Philippines, we need the room, because when we go out with family, we go out, like all of us. Unlike in America, everyone brings their own vehicles. Here, we all ride. If possible, we all ride in the same vehicle. So that's why. But yeah, again, in America, everyone brings their own cars, because whenever we go to our destination, if we want to go somewhere, you don't have to wait for someone to drive you. You got your own car. But here, everybody packs themselves in because it's a family. So that's why. But let me flip this around. So yeah, this is where we're staying at right here, Grand Hyatt, which is about a block and a half away. It isn't too far from the Tesla dealership or sales center, or whatever you want to call it. But man, I am melting. Yeah, so this is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1 of the video, I was able to bring my better camera this time, better microphone, but I'm truly incorrect with my assumptions, my initial impressions. Even before seeing it, I really didn't think it was, because I was just really burnt by the 7-seater. The 2021 Model Y 7-seater we had, it was really trash. It was a waste of money in my opinion. But this, that extra length, I'm telling you, even though it's like 6 or 7 inches only, it makes a huge difference. And I think 120,000 pesos extra. They still have Enhanced Autopilot available here because FSD is not available. You can get that, which also includes actual smart summon AS, which is very helpful in the Philippines, because parking here can be a bit difficult. But I'm gonna tell you this: everybody here can parallel park. Everybody here can park in very tight places, big props. When Abby was here and we would go out, man, I'm like, you can't fit in there. Oh, she fit. She had a Toyota Vios, which is one of the compact cars Toyota has over here, and very impressed by her driving skills, which that's why she could handle. See these motherfuckers right here? Pedestrian, dog, dang, it's green for us, and they about to hit you. But anyway, big up to Abby, because she could drive the Cybertruck no problem, because skills, you need skills over here. But yeah, that's it for this video. Man, I'm very excited for that Model YL. I hope the additional coverage gives you more insight. Very excited. Let me know what you think. Love that interior color. Man, I just can't stop talking about it. Oh my goodness. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you on the next one.